In this tutorial, we will show you how to set your password for the Piavita platform. Go to your emails and open the welcome email you received from us. By tapping on the Set Password and Log In to Piavita platform button, you will directly be transferred to the Piavita platform. There, you can choose your own password. After having read the terms and conditions, check the box I agree to the terms and conditions in order to continue with setting your password. At the beginning, you will have to fill out the details of your clinic. Afterwards, the platform will automatically lead you through a tutorial which will not be shown in this video. It will take you a few minutes to go through the tutorial, but it will give you a lot of important information about the platform. When finished with the tutorial, you will be asked if you would like to share your patient database with the other doctors of the clinic. The next step in setting up your account is to add a first patient to your clinic. You can either tap on the New Patient button on the sidebar or the turquoise button on the top. Before filling the patient's details, you will have to choose an owner. As you are new to the platform, there is no owner yet. Please start by adding a new owner. You can either fill in an owner number or the owner's first and last name. Continue by tapping the Save button. Then you can add the patient's details. All the lines marked with a star are mandatory. Continue by tapping the Save button. Hooray! Now you can start your first measurement.